Welcome to today's lesson. In this lesson, we will explore the German alphabet and the sounds each letter makes. Understanding how letters and letter combinations are pronounced is an essential first step toward speaking German confidently. We will look at individual letter sounds, common letter pairs, and pronunciation patterns that will help you read and speak German more naturally. Let's get started with die Buchstaben und ihre Laute, or letters and their sounds. In this lesson, we will be learning about die Vokale, or the vowels, die Konsonanten, the consonants, und die Umlaute und Eszett, or in English, the umlauts and sharp S letter. The German alphabet contains 30 letters, 26 letters, 3 umlauts, and 1 ligature. They are divided into the vowels, the consonants and the umlauts. Die Vokale sind A, E, I, O, U. Die Konsonanten B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R. Then S, T, V, W, X, Y und Z. And third, the umlauts, A umlaut, O umlaut, O umlaut, and the sharp S or SZ. First we are starting with die Vokale or the vowels. Some general rules for them. We are starting with the A. If we have a single letter, there are no special pronunciation rules. For example, Name or Stadt. If you have double letters, there are also no special pronunciation rules. For example, Paar. If you have two letters together, or if the letter H is found after the letter A, then the letter H is not pronounced and the other letter is lengthened in pronunciation. For example, Fahrer. If you have AU, there is no special rules. Kaufhaus. With the letter E, if we have a single letter or double letters, there are no special rules. For example, Adresse oder T. If you have the letter H after the letter E, then the letter H is not pronounced and the letter E is longer. For example, nehmen. If you have two letters put together, EI, then they are pronounced as I. For example, eins oder einladen. But if you have E plus U, then they are pronounced as Freundin or Deutschland, like Oi. If the letters ER is found at the end of the word, then they are pronounced as A. For example, Fischer, Fahrer oder Bier. With the letter E, if we have a single letter, there are no special rules. For example, Biete oder Igel. If we have the letter H after the letter E, then the letter H is not pronounced, but the E is longer. For example, ihm. And if we have two letters together, IE, they are no special rules. Familie, via, Italien. If you want to watch the full version of this lesson, you can find the complete course German A1 Masterclass from 0 to A1 German with all 40 plus lessons on Udemy. The link is in the description below.